Hello crafty friends, I'm here to share with you guys this 3D sunflower. It is the Van Gogh famous one, and is from Rowood, the brand. I finished this. I started 10 at 10. Well, I started yesterday, so it literally took me again 3 hours to finish this, and it looks so amazing. It looks so pretty. You can see right there the sides, and then the corners right here, it had 2 extra, so I just put them there on that corner. And then it says golden sunflower, and then it has a little easel that I also put together. And then the background is a card, like you can actually gift it to someone and then just write something on the back, but obviously I am not going to. But this is how it looks. I love how it came out, and yeah, soon I'll be starting working. I think Tuesday I'm starting. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.